How to turn up pin security on the Android lock screen. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your settings application on your Android phone. After that, tap password and security on your settings section. Now under password and security, select lock screen password option and enter your lock screen password. Now you will get the option of turn off password. Simply you have to select that. Now, in order to disable the lock screen password, you need to tap the disable option and again enter lock screen password. Due to the privacy concern, there may be black screen a little bit. So simply in that section, you have to enter your password, and after that, you can see that there is no such turn off button. That means we have successfully turned off pin security on the Android lock screen. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.